What is up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be installing the car atmosphere lights inside my Honda Civic. ये है इसकी unboxing सबसे पहले. इस ऐसे बॉक्स में आया है ये. MRP इस पे 699 है, but it's available for much cheaper on Amazon. Mostly these MRPs are never accurate on the box. So anyway, बॉक्स के अंदर ये एक इसका रिमोट आया है. ये पावर प्लग है जो सिगरेट लाइटर में लगेगा. इसका कंट्रोलर बॉक्स है and 4 LED strips. So सबसे पहले I'm going to connect it to this power outlet here and see whether they're working or not. Quality इसकी काफ़ी decent लग रही है. I mean it doesn't look too cheap and इतना भी great नहीं है, but it's just decent, good enough. ठीक है, so push it off and now we'll go ahead with the installation. If you can see, there is a gap, so if I can get this cable out from this gap यहाँ से and pull it out from the back. Okay, जा रहा है. There you go. So you can see this is come out on the back there. So what I can do is later on I can paste this control box here with the double-sided tape, so it will be out of the way. और यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा neat look आएगा. There are 2 strips which are shorter and 2 strips which are longer. तो ये जो छोटी वाली strips है ये आगे लगेंगी और जो लंबी वाली है ये पीछे की सीट पे लगेंगी. अभी के लिए इसे ऐसे ही यहाँ लटकने देंगे and we'll see what we got later. अभी एक यहाँ पे लगा देंगे और दूसरी जो है यहाँ पीछे से पास करके we'll push it off to the passenger side. There's nothing really here to stick it on. It's a very uneven surface, so the best option is the edge of this panel. So I don't know about the quality of this adhesive. अगर ये सही से नहीं चिपका तो मेरे पास 3M का भी डबल साइडेड टेप है जो कि फिर बाद में इस पर लगाना पड़ेगा. So let's just give this a shot. As you can see, I have not taken off this cover all at once. First you start sticking the edge, फिर धीरे धीरे as you work your way along the length you keep pulling this off from the bottom. तो इसमें आपकी positioning जो है बिल्कुल वैसे ही होती है the way you want it. यहाँ पे I'm not going to stick it here because otherwise it's going to move. This is the best place to stick it right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick it here. Just make sure there's no dust on it. You want to keep the wire side inside so that your wires are not coming around the other way. So be careful before you stick it that you keep the wire side inside. Okay, so that's also stuck. एक बार फिर we'll try it out. Yep, looking good. Okay, now the next question is how to take these wires all the way back. So what I've seen some people do is इन्होंने वायर यहाँ पीछे से लेके इसके अंदर से लेके यहाँ से निकाल के सीट के नीचे लगा दिए. This is also like pretty acceptable. दूसरा ऑप्शन ये है कि अगर इस पैनल को निकाल सके तो इसके नीचे से डायरेक्ट ले जाएं और यहाँ से निकाल के सीट के नीचे डाल दें. So we just have to try and see which one is more convenient. गैप तो है यहाँ पे. So let's see अगर यहीं से वायर आ जाती तो well and good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide it under this panel and keep pulling it so that we don't have to open the entire panel. Okay. लेदर पे लगा के देख रहा हूँ, अगर लग जाता है तो ठीक है, नहीं लगेगा तो फिर इधर लगा दूँगा प्लास्टिक पे। सो लेट्स सी। तो ये रेयर लेफ़्ट वाला जो एलईडी है वो भी मैंने, ये वाला जो गैप दिख रहा है यहाँ से निकाल लिया है इसको पीछे के लिए, और जैसे राइट साइड का किया था वैसे अभी लेफ़्ट साइड का, पासिंग द वायर फ्रॉम beneath this panel here. Need to pass this light from in between so that the wire doesn't get cut between the rails, and there you go. And that's stuck, as you can see. That looks good. This is a good place to stick it. और ये मेरे पास एक ब्रांड न्यू 3M टेप है जो कि अमेज़ॉन से ही ऑर्डर की है. So today we'll test how effective this tape really is. I'm just going to tie up this extra cable and stick it back in the panel over there. This one's done, it's out of the way, and it's looking neat. Go. Okay, so since I can't find any place to secure this extra cable under the seat, what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this seat all the way back so that the cable is fully stretched, and then whatever extra length is left, I'm just going to pull it back towards the controller from under this panel. So I'm pulling up on this extra cable over here. Okay, put this cable underneath here. So now there's no extra cable hanging from here. So I'm just checking to see that the wire is not getting stuck anywhere with the movement of the seat, and yeah, that's perfect. So we're going to do the same thing for this seat. I'm going to pull up on all the extra cable. Yeah, that's it, we got all the extra cable. Now what we're going to do with this extra cable is that we're just going to push it underneath this panel here. So that looks kind of decent. All the wires are nicely tucked in, nothing showing. So now switching on the ignition, power is on from here, the lights are working. Yes, all lights are working here too. I've been waiting all day for this time so we can try out the lights in the dark. So let's have a look. There you go. These are the front lights and these are the rear lights. So let's test out the remote now. So the first function we have here is of increasing and decreasing the brightness. So let's increase. So this is at full brightness right now, so we'll just decrease the brightness, and as you can see, with each click the brightness keeps decreasing, and that final flash at the end means that you're at minimum brightness right now. And let's increase back up again. Pretty cool. So if you find this is disturbing you at night, you can just decrease the brightness, and then you have the on off buttons, and you have solid colors for red, green, blue, purple, etc. And then you have these jump modes in which the color keeps changing, and so in jump you have two different jumps, so basically using different sets of colors, so according to which colors you like you can set that. And fade में क्या होता है that the lights keep changing very slowly, keep fading into each other. So even in fade we have two different shades. We have this music mode also, जिसमें the lights they change as per the beat of the song. So let's try that out. So this is music number 1. Let's increase this. So pretty good. And this is music mode number 2. So as you can see on the passenger side LED, you can actually see the lights, whereas over here you can't. You can only see the glow, and that's how it's supposed to be. So this is because of the angle at which it is stuck, and I couldn't do anything about it. So I found a solution for it, and let's see if it works. And that solution is basically this black permanent marker. So guys, as you can see, that problem is solved now. When you're sitting here in the seat, you can no longer see the LED strip. You can only see the glow of the light. When I was checking out videos on YouTube, I couldn't find any reference for this particular car. They were for all the other cars. So hopefully this video is useful for all Honda Civic owners. Thank you guys. See you next time.